Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's more good morning for me, but I know you guys are watching this because I always upload later in the evening. Anyway, I'm back at the beach house, the crib. The waves look pretty good on the forecast. I mean, Surfline says it's 4 to 7, but it's not gonna be that big. And Swell Info I think Swell Info is more accurate usually, and says it's gonna be 3 to 4. So yeah, that's what I think it'll be. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the inlet now, and if it's not good, then I'm gonna go to Ocean City, because Ocean City never lets me down. But yeah, let's just get going. What's up? I just finished surfing at Northside Inlet. I don't even want to include those clips because I didn't really get any good waves. So I'm gonna still put them in because why not? But I gotta go get some better clips for you guys. So I'm gonna go to Ocean City. Yeah, let's go.